What's up everybody, Brian, SoCo Customs. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section below if you're interested in a kit like this, and let's get into this walk around. Alright guys, 2018 Toyota Tundra that we did send up 3.5 inches on the rough country kit. And bear with me tonight, as this time of the evening is always just shadow management, so I'll make sure that the shadow is passing over the truck and not really blocking too much of your view. Let's go check out these wheels. We'll do that on the shady side, since that seems to be the ones that ended up most upright. So these are the Gear Offroads. As you can see, they're 20 by 10. Pretty aggressive offset, nice little concave with a little accent out there. And then these Kenda Klevers RT 55 R20. And we'll show you inside of the wheel well. It is a extended strut with the upper control arm provided in the kit. As I was driving this truck around trying to get the TPMS sensors to shut off, lights to shut off, I was really noticing how great this ride quality was. Definitely get a lot more travel out of this kit. It feels good to drive on-road, hopefully off-road. Of course, I am not allowed to romp a customer's truck, so we'll have to wait for their expert opinion on that. Alright guys, Brian, SoCo Customs, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comment section below about this kit, and we'll talk to you guys soon.